Hello everyone, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. Today guys, we're gonna make baked Italian chicken wings, and for our ingredients we're gonna use 3 pounds of chicken wings, and into my chicken wings I'm gonna add black pepper. In goes onion powder, garlic powder, basil leaves, oregano, red pepper flakes, some salt, not a lot, minced garlic, then I'll add Italian dressing. And smoked paprika. My hands are clean guys. I'm gonna mix everything together until combined. Next, we're gonna cover our chicken wings with a plastic wrap. We're gonna let this marinate in the refrigerator for 4 hours. It's been 4 hours and our chicken is marinated. Now it's time to bake it. I have my pan lined with the aluminum foil and the cooling rack. Now I'm gonna place my chicken onto the cooling rack like so guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna bake these chicken wings at 425 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Okay guys, look at that. Now our chicken has been baked and is out of the oven. I can't wait to dig into this. Now I'm gonna plate my chicken wings. Okay, now I'm gonna garnish and finish it up with Italian parsley. There you have it guys, Italian baked chicken wings. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Please try it and let me know how it turned out on the comments down below. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos guys. Please like, share this video with your friends. Until next time, bye honey for my honeys. Bye my honeys.